Hello and welcome to another Facts and Dimensions Spotlight dataset. In this one we're going to cover mental health of children and young people surveys data, which we're getting from the NHS Digital website, as you can see here. So let's have a look. We've got data going back to 1999 up to the year just gone, and if any more data comes out for this schema, then it will get added to this schema straight away. 70,000 rows over 173 tables. Now, normally I would go into some detail in the tables in the schema we're demoing, but because there's so many of them, I'm just going to give you a high-level view. And of course, as you know, you can always request a free trial and get access for a few weeks so you can dive in and play with the data properly. I think for this video, as there's so many, what I'll do is I'll page down this long list of tables, and you can always pause the video if you want to read this long list. So this is the first page, second page, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and seventh. I've queried 3 randomly picked ones just so you get an idea of what's in there. This one is whether access mental health and wellbeing support at school by mental health of child and sex. You can see the sort of data there by having a look at these columns and values. Second one that I've randomly picked was attendance at school during the pandemic by mental health of child, age and sex. So you get the idea there. And finally, change in level of support for children with special educational needs and disability by mental health of child, age and sex. And you can see what we have by having a quick look there. But as I say at the start, ask us for a free trial and you can have a proper look at everything. Thanks.